as during March 04/2020, we stopped here yesterday. The numbers of image form on a plane mirror arranged at an angle of theta to each other. The numbers of image form on a plane mirror at an angle of theta to each other, as shown above, is given as follows. As numbers of image form on a plane mirror. So we have the numbers of image represented by Nm is equal to 360 degree upon theta minus 1. So if I record this equation 1 under this, so this is the numbers of image form on a plane mirror. It is calculated by using 360 degree upon theta minus 1. But the first thing you have to firstly understand is that the number of image represented by Nm, the angle between the two mirrors is represented by theta. This is 360 degree, which is numerical value, and you subtract it from minus 1. So you may be given the numbers of image form on a plane mirror, and you have to determine the angle between what? Between the two mirrors. To determine the angle, then you can do that by using the subject or the formula, which can be shown as follows. So you have what here? This is Nm. If you decide to transfer this, you have plus 1 is equivalent to 360 degree upon theta. If I cross multiply, I'm going to have theta into bracket of Nm plus 1 is equal to 360 degree. So I'm interested in making the theta the subject of the formula. I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of what? Theta, which is Nm plus 1. So if you divide both sides by the coefficient of theta, which is Nm plus what? Plus 1, you observe that theta will be equivalent to 360 degree divided by Nm plus 1. So this is the expression. I call this equation what? Equation 2. So this is the formula to determine the angle between the two mirrors arranged at an angle of theta to each other, and that theta will be determined by using 360 degree upon theta, 360 degree divided by Nm plus 1, where Nm is the numbers of image forms. So you can satisfy this with an example. Suppose you have an example, as this question implies. The question 1, I want to calculate the numbers of image form. Calculate the number of image forms. Numbers of image form arranged at the following angles. A, I have 60 degree. B, I don't know the number of image form when you have 45 degree. C, I have an image form which is equal to 180 degree. D, I have an image form which is equivalent. Suppose the angle between the mirror is exactly 90 degree, which is perpendicular. E, if the angle between the mirror is 0 degree. So if we have to synthesize this, we want to know the numbers of image form on each of the following angles at which the mirror is arranged. Suppose we are interested in the first one. So we have in this one, which is A, the theta is given to be 60 degree, but we are looking for the numbers of image form on a plane mirror. One of the first things you consider is that you can decide to draw the mirror by just try as much as possible to sketch the first mirror. Let me call it this the first mirror as M1. I draw another mirror. Suppose I draw it and I represent this one as M2, the second mirror. The angle between the two mirrors is given to be 60 degree, which is theta equal to 60 degree. If I'm looking for the numbers of image plots, I know that the numbers of image formed on a plane mirror is expressed by using 360 degree upon theta minus 1. But the theta is given to be 60 here. Then you can go to conclusion by writing this place is 360 degree divided by the angle between the mirror is 60 degree minus 1. So the numbers of image form 360 upon 60 will give you 6 minus 1. So the numbers of image form will be equal to 5. Then what? Images. So if you arrange two mirrors at an angle of 60 degree, the number of image form to be seen. If an object is placed in front of that mirror, you are going to be seeing 5 what? Images. So another one is when we are given the angle between the two mirrors to be 45 what? Degree. For me to do that, I can just decide to do by just without even draw the diagrams. Can decide to do that by saying that theta is equivalent to 45 degree. The numbers of images formed is equal to unknown. So Nm is equivalent to 360 degree upon theta minus 1, which is 360 degree divided by theta. Your theta is 45 degree minus 1. So the numbers of image form 360 upon 45. So if you say 2 goes here, 3 goes here, 3 goes in 360 will give you 120. 3 goes in this one will give you 15. If you reduce this one furtherly, you can decide to say, if you say 45 here what? 1, and 45 goes in 360 is going to give you 8. Because you say 45 times 8 will give you 360 degrees. So I can say this is 360 upon 45 using a calculator. You are going to have 8. 8 minus 1 will give you 7 when we have what here? Images. So if the mirror is arranged at an angle of 45 degrees, the image form will be 7 images. So vertically you can try to do C and D by yourself. Let me go for E. When the angle between the mirror is exactly 0 degrees. The angle between the mirror is 0 degrees. How does this go? Theta equal to 0 degrees. The numbers of images formed is equal to unknown, which means NM is equivalent to 360 degrees upon theta minus 1. And our theta here is given, and the value of the theta is equal to what? Is 0 degrees, which simply means that we have 360 upon 0 minus 1. And note in mathematics, if you have any number upon 0, we call it infinity. So 360 divided by 0, we call it infinity. This is NM equal to infinity denoted by the symbol minus 1. And infinity minus n number will still remain infinity. That's why we say the numbers of image form. When two mirrors are at an angle of 0 degree, we have infinity what? Infinity image, which always occur in the barber shop. Because most of the mirrors in the barber shop are arranged parallel to each other in such a way that the angle between them is 0 degree, which you can show in the diagram below. Suppose I have the mirror, this is the first mirror, and I have another mirror, which is the second mirror. So if you check this very well, you observe that the angle between the two mirrors is what? Is 0 degree. So if it's dented light on this mirror, then it will reflect back and come back to the second mirror. The same mirror, you understand? This one will also reflect and go back to the other mirror. This one that's capacity angle will also become what? Reflected angle as the other mirror. When this one reflected into what? Is dented again. So by the time you observe that this thing is continuing moving. So it's going to what? Infinity. Because you don't see the converging point of it. That's why we say whenever two mirrors are at an angle of 0, the numbers of image form is at what? Infinity. That is how to calculate the numbers of image form on a plane mirror. If you be given number of image form on a plane mirror and has to determine the angle between the mirror, that could be easy for you by using subject of the what? Formula. But one of the first things we have to go again now is applications of reflection. There are different wide applications of reflection. Reflection is used in kaleidoscope. In making kaleidoscope, we use reflection. In making periscope, we use reflection. In film glass, we use reflection. In communication network, we use reflection application. But let's firstly synthesize on the application of reflections in making a kaleidoscope. What do they call kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope is a particular instrument. But before that, let me decide to put them on top of the board for you for easy understanding. We have applications of reflections, as earlier mentioned, applications of reflections, applications of reflections. Application of reflection. Reflections is used, 1, is used in kaleidoscope, making the kaleidoscope, it is used there. 2, in making the periscope, it is used, making the periscope. 3, it is used as a sextant device. It's used as a sextant device. 4, it is also used in communication network. It's used in communications network. So it is known as a communication network. How does this use? So let me firstly go to the explanations on kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is an instrument used to feed color. If you want to feed color to an object, you can use kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is an instrument used to feed color. Instrument used to feed color is what we reverse as kaleidoscope. So if you want to feed color, the instrument that is used to feed color is what we reverse as kaleidoscope. This kaleidoscope we are talking about, it is arranged at an angle of 60 degrees to each other. So if you want to do here, that's kaleidoscope. Pause.